Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here again to interrupt my Halloween series with another unboxing from the Stamps of Life. As you know, I receive 2 kits a month from them. I receive a Die Hard kit, which if you didn't see that unboxing for this month, I will post it here. And then I also receive a club card kit. And so I have a playlist of previous unboxings that I will link here as well. But let's get into seeing what we got this month. The Die Hard kit came with these dies and the stamp set. And this coordinates with it. So I'm just going to pull everything out of the box and we'll go through it one by one. So every club kit, you get this handy dandy envelope that stores your project in it and the scraps. You also get a pack of envelopes that are A2 size for your cards that you make. You also get, so we have some free gifts in here as well because I'm a club member. So let's see if I can find the free stuff and I'll show you that. So this is one of them. And it just says for you. And it has the shadow piece as well. I like that it has the shadow pieces. And that's a nice size for you. It's probably about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. I could be wrong. Maybe 2 inches by 2 inches. It could be something like that. But it is a good size. So for you. Then we also got. So that was the free die in there. Then we also get a sentiment die every month. And this month, it's So Cool is a sentiment die and it has the shadow piece. We also get a sentiment stamp. And included is these dies that'll cut out the cherries and the sprinkles. Fun. Close by or far apart, friends are always in your heart. We also got these felt, I'm not sure what they're called, but they're just to embellish, to make borders. I love the colors. And everything coordinates. We also got these enamel dots. In those colors. You also get inspiration cards they send with the kits. You also get a 6x6 paper pad that coordinates with everything, and most times the dies you receive from the Die Hard kit will cut out some of the pictures in the paper pad. They are double-sided, good quality paper. We also got these chipboard ice cream cones. Look at the beautiful ribbon trim we got. You also get a pack of cardstock that, like I said, coordinate with everything. So there you go. And then you get 4 powdered sugar cardstocks for the card bases. And then they sent some inspiration as well for different dies that they offer and the projects you can make with them. So yeah, this was my, what is this? August. It is August card kit and it's called So Cool Collection. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you guys are new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for choosing to spend your time here. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!